Hi, I'm Leah Carey, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be here with Jim Robinson, the president of Astellas Pharma. Welcome.
Thank you. I'm very glad to be here today.
Is this your first Woman of the Year event?
It is my first Woman of the Year event.
Well, this is very special. It's our 25th anniversary, so we're thrilled that you could be here.
I'm excited to be here. And we are also excited to have the support of HBA for Astellas and vice versa, so we're very happy to be here.
Well, thank you. As a male executive, what would you say are the most important traits of a woman leader?
So I think in terms of the most important leadership traits, I would say there's probably two that I really would focus on, whether it's woman or man, but I think especially in the healthcare environment today, I think the number one trait right now is strategic agility. Having the ability to be very nimble, given the fact that the market is very dynamic. The changes that are taking place right now, whether it's in the hospital space or whether it's in the provider space or whether it's in even the pharmaceutical space, it's the pace of change is something I haven't seen in over 20 years. So I think the ability to really have that strategic agility, to be able to really understand where you need to go, but also have the ability to be nimble and adjust as necessary. I think that's without question. I think the other thing now, given the fact that the challenges are so profound in some cases, having the ability to motivate people. So you really got to be able to be that enthusiastic motivator and be able to keep people on track so you actually can achieve that strategic goal that you've set forth. So in my mind right now, I think the key ingredients to success is having that strategic agility, being able to be nimble, and obviously then you got to be able to motivate your people and get them feeling, okay, despite some of these challenges, we can still achieve our goals.
So if I had to ask you, and I haven't asked this question before, which is more important, building a network or mentorship?
I think they're almost, in a lot of ways, one and the same, right? And I think it depends on your level at a given time of your career, whether mentorship or network is more important. So for me, I look at network in general is the best way to support yourself. You have the ability to tap into multiple people with multiple points of view that potentially can help you form maybe that strategic agility piece you want to be able to form, or just be able to make sure that you're on track with your thinking. I think the benefit for me personally of having a network is really having that diversity of opinion, diversity of thought that allows you then to be able to weigh different factors you may not have thought about. So networks are extremely important. I also think if anyone that's being interviewed today, if they've achieved a senior level in their organization, has achieved that based on mentorship, whether it's been a formal mentor role or an informal mentor role. And then generally the right mentors pull you along with them and make sure they're absolutely honest with you and what you're doing well and what you could definitely do to improve. And that's, to me, the benefit of having a mentor. They're much more one-on-one and they're going to be very honest with you.
Well, I would love to have you as a mentor. You're incredibly strategic, and thank you for your insights today.
It was my pleasure. Thanks for having me today.
Thank you very much.